Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Subscribers appreciate you, new viewers subscribe so you can get some awesome recipes like this one right here. Today we're using the slow cooker. We're in full fall mode, so we're gonna make a soup. What kind of soup? A leek and potato creamy soup. So creamy leeks and potatoes. So on this side I've already put in a pound and about 3/4, so just shy of 2 pounds of just regular Idaho potatoes, peeled, sliced thin. On this side I have 3 leeks that I've just chopped up and then separated and rinsed really well. That's the one key about leeks, is you have to really rinse them because of the way that they're grown. They're grown in the sand and whatnot, blah, blah, blah. Down the middle I have 1 pound container of sour cream and 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. This is going to be the cream of our soup. To that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sea salt and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And I'm just going to spread that out. So there we're good. Last thing we need to make this into a soup is we need some stock or some water. You could do either. I prefer to use stock for more flavor. And I'm using vegetable stock because this is vegetable, but you could use chicken stock if you so prefer. And I will let you know the amount. Basically we're going to go till we fill, which I'm going to guess is going to be about 48 ounces, but we'll see when we get this all filled up. I've added all the stock. It ended up being 82 fluid ounces, so there's your math, but again, you're just going to fill. We're going to cook this on low for 6 hours, give or take. See you in 6 hours. It's been 6 hours, give or take, and you can see that the soup has definitely cooked down. Now, you have 2 options. If you have an immersion blender, like I do, you can use this, and we're going to blend this till it's smooth. Otherwise, you're going to have to do it in batches in a blender because it's hot. Hot expands. It could blow the blender off. I recommend putting a towel on top. I'm going to just start with this, and I'll blend this till we're smooth, and then we will serve it up. You see that I've gone ahead and blended this till it's fairly smooth. There's still little bits of chunks. You can see the green in there. But this is how we want it. You could go try to get it completely smooth, but I like a little bit of that. It shows that it's homemade. I'm just going to pour some into the bowl. Easy enough. Some chopped up green onions or scallions. Just sprinkle a couple on top. You could also top this with some shredded cheese if you want it. You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Ring the bell when you subscribe so you get the alerts. And check back for the next video. As always, take care. Peace.